Sources and references for it. So, 2 textbooks, NCERTs, only 11th and 12th. Do not go with all. I don't like them. Okay, 2 textbooks are. Okay, for every class, 11th standard class, 2 textbooks, 12th class, again 2 textbooks. There were 4 textbooks. So this is for world concept. This is for Indian concept. Very simple. World geography will be covered from which standard? 11th standard, and Indian geography will be completed from 12th standard. So 2 textbooks. Here is also 2 aspects: physical geography, human geography. Physical geography, human geography. Like that. You got that division part? World geography of 11th standard will contains 2 textbooks, one for physical geography, second for human geography, also called socio-economic geography. That's the thing. Same with the Indian geography, again the physical geography and human geography. So 4 textbooks would be there. And this is good written, you can go through and page by page. Do not leave anything in this. Attempt the questions also which given in the back. Okay? This is NCERT is a textbook. I'm right calling this textbook means you have to read page by page. This is a textbook. Second, have one atlas. When the places are coming, news or in the topics when you're reading, any place comes out, if you're not able to picture it out, image out, mental imaging is very important. When anything is talked, that image should be formed in your mind. If image is not forming, that means you will not reach to the destination mentally, psychologically. So please go through the atlas or mobile pe khol ke, you just see the place. So atlas. Have atlas. Any atlas will do. Any atlas. Student, Oxford student wala bhi chalega, or in Black Swan, whatever you are having, any one will work. No, if you have already having any, fine, keep it. I am not recommending any one of them, all are same. Places more or less in internet world does not affect anything. One atlas, please have one map book. What does that mean? Atlas maps and questions are 2 different things. Questions are pinpointed. Map is generalized what to see on it. After seeing, you have to draw only that part. Plot it, at least rough sketches. You should know the state, you should show the location, north, south, east, west. That should be there. Just develop the art. Whenever world map or Indian map, any sites are there, you should have the booklets like world maps. You have a few world maps, few Indian maps. Indian map you can draw also. Just develop the art of drawing Indian map and world map. For answer writing, it will be very key if you are good in this. You score very high if you have ability of drawing. I can draw all the maps. But you also have developed the art of drawing maps. In map book, world perspective and Indian perspective. Just pinpointing. Just in the end, you will have the bunch of what? Maps, and it will convert into map book. And it will help in prelims questions. Like any mineral resource come. Like suppose they are talking about lithium is discovered in Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir. So Riyasi kahan hai? Like, okay, near Vaishno Devi, you just put it in near Jammu, above Jammu, just to plot it. An idea. Baat samajh mein hai? So that means you know the, okay, lithium is discovered, one of the biggest reserves. And then lithium, a lot of study on lithium has been going on. So just you have that, then your mind will work, okay, what are the other places in India where lithium is discovered? Okay, which is the news. One is the news point. Second is, okay, this is in Karnataka also, Mandya district also discovered. Okay, here we put it. Okay, got this point? Then you just find out, okay, in Jharkhand, Singh also some discovery has been claimed. Okay, just 3 places in India. Just even the uranium, as we talked about. So you will have series of map will be automatically designed by you in the end, and they will give you a lot of confidence. That will image making. Third aspect, So some of the questions, like for Indian geography, minute questions coming. Need not to read page by page, only topic centric. Indian geography, DR खुल्लर ले लीजिएगा, DR खुल्लर. His TMH, McGraw-Hill में my student has written actually, एक मेरी एक ही student है, optional की student थी, भूमिका सैनी करके, she has written one textbook in Indian, but I don't recommend, but DR खुल्लर. Indian Revenue Services, IT में है, she is in IT. माजिद हुसैन सर का नाम सुना आप लोगों ने? Okay, so she has replaced Majid Hussain sir recently. Last 2 editions आ गए शायद उसके, पहला edition दूसरा edition. So Majid Hussain sir is no more actually, he is demised. Okay, Indian geography by DR खोलो, इसको पढ़ लेना. And no, do not read page by page. Only some of the areas which we are covering, please go through that. Because it's a very thick textbook. It's not a very small textbook. It's a big, very thick textbook. So just NCERT page by page, here topic by topic. Some irrelevant topics, remove it. Now, physical certificate geography by, right, physical certificate geography by GC Leong. So this guy is not there from 90s में खत्म हो गया, but still the book is going on. Some of the facts need to be updated in that, at least in the first 2 chapters, the universe and all. Some facts has been modified, but it's been nothing updated in that. So the chapters like the universe, the world, solar systems, lot of changes have happened because a lot of discoveries has been made recent time. Nothing been updated. These are the sources. And next is class notes. बंद पे जाएंगे. And whatever the things, I think you will get 2-3 textbooks from these people. So mostly it's my class notes only they converted, whatever they try to do it. Okay. So आपको when I open the chapters now, you can see right, तो same चलेगा. It will be somewhat same. And if any update is there, I will be putting it. But this is the sources. और कुछ नहीं. No, new NCERTs. History में there are